I didn't know what to do with my hair today, so middle part it is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and having a great weekend. For today's video, yes, your girl is back with another haul. Why did I say another haul? I didn't do a haul video here in so long. Anyway, these are some orders I received like within the last week. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I got. I am not gonna lie to y'all, I did open two already, mainly for like TikTok and Instagram, so please don't hate me if y'all see some of these products repeated here again. But yeah, I know that some of my YouTube fam is just dedicated to this platform, so I don't want you all to miss out. I have your back. I'm also including a PR package from a local brand that I received, so if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off with the PR package first. This is from our local makeup brand, Highlight, Contour and More. You know they are no strangers to any of my socials, even on YouTube, because I genuinely do love their products. Like, I use this setting spray so much, it's ridiculous. It's probably like halfway there. It sets my makeup amazing, so I'm sure whatever else Rachel sent me, I will absolutely love it. So she included this little note card telling me what's in here. But look at this packaging. I did not want to open this. Anything iridescent or holographic, it just caught my heart. So this is it here. I love a good ribbon for sure. Oh my god, look at this. It's like a nest. This is beautiful presentation. Oh my god, I need to take some pictures of this. This is so gorgeous. So she included 4 products. Her cream liner that you can use as like a base for eyeshadow or just on its own. She included also her lip balm and lip scrub, as well as their loose powder. Let me open them up so we can see what the packaging looks like. These are the 4 products here. You get a lip balm and a lip scrub. Love this packaging, by the way. And this is their translucent powder and their cream eyeliner. I mean, how fun do these look? This is the lip scrub and this is the lip balm. I am so excited to try these. Of course, I'll be testing out these products very soon, so thank you to Highlight, Contour and More for sharing these products with me. Up next is Colourpop, and this has to be my smallest Colourpop haul to date. I only went on to get the Darth Vader palette. You all know I'm like Star Wars obsessed, and I got this one to complete my Star Wars collection for now. I am genuinely hoping that they come out with like an Ahsoka palette later on. This is so cool. Star Wars is very like sentimental to me. I grew up with Star Wars, so I had to get the palette. I mean, y'all know I'm like on a no eyeshadow buy, because as someone who has over 60 eyeshadow palettes, I don't need any more. I think I've seen them all, but I really bought this for like the collector inside of me. Oh my god, they really did it with this palette. Like the TIE fighters. The only thing I will say, I really wanted a matte black in here. Like, I feel that's the only thing missing. Also, maybe even a matte red. I mean, this is a shiny red. I mean, it swatched beautifully. I'll put up swatches. Overall, the palette is gorgeous, and yeah, it's really good quality as well. So yeah, that's what I got. And I also picked up this Feather Effect brow pen. I'm not really into like the natural brows kind of so brow thing. That's just not for me. My eyebrows just don't stand up that way, no matter how much eye glue, not eye glue, what do you call it, so brow or glue, whatever you use. But I still wanted like where I put pencil to just add in a little fake brow hair, so that's why I got this little feather pen here. This is in shade, it's black brown, so I'll play around with that. I did get one more thing, but that's for a TikTok giveaway I have coming up. It's the Barbie Mirror, and I have it like packaged already, so I don't want to take it out. So yeah, that's really it for the Colourpop haul. Next is something I hauled from a local online store. They're a very small page, so I'll throw up their Instagram here. You can check them out, give them a little follow, because I find like she has some really cute and reasonable stuff. But when I saw this, I was just like, yeah, I need to have this. I also like the fact that she included this little thank you card from her business. I find like these little touches really make the experience even more special. But what I really ordered is this pack of nude neutral scrunchies. Like, every texture you can think about, is in this pack. Look at these, how freaking adorable, and you get a pack of 7 for $50 TT. That is freaking amazing. I feel like this might even be more expensive on Amazon, but this one looks like a carpet. It looks so fun and they're so incredibly soft. I haven't used them yet, but I know I will this week. This is so pretty. I feel like it's very chic. Neutral colors are very in right now, but these are so cute and soft. I'm telling you, you will love these. This next package, it doesn't look like a lot, but when I tell you, this thing is heavy, and honestly this was like a lesson learned to me. I think if I have to repurchase this brand, I may just bring like one piece because the things in here are so heavy. It's body care stuff, and this is the first time I'm ordering from this brand. If you are an avid true crime like lover on YouTube, you would know what is going on outside. As I was saying, this brand I became familiar with because I watch a lot of YouTube true crime, and this brand sponsors a lot of those channels, so naturally I really wanted to try them. Y'all know I like to use natural deodorants. They just work better for me anyway. So when I got this code, I mean obviously they have a discount code, I wanted to fully advantage it, right? But yo, I'm telling you, even though the products are affordable, the weight of the products, it was really expensive to clear it, because this package cost me like 32 US with the discount code, and it cost over $200 TT to clear this. So it's, oh my god, this package is letting out a lot of dust. Hold on. Okay, hopefully you could see, but like the brown bag is lined with this fuzzy thing that is just so dusty. I know this will raise my sinus, so I need to be very careful here. Who made this decision to use this packaging? This is terrible. I feel like I shouldn't breathe this in. This is all over my floor, my t-shirt. Oh my god, whoever made the decision to use that packaging needs to be fired. This is so much garbage. Y'all, I apologize in advance for the dust flying around, but this thing is covered in that like fuzzy dust. So the brand is Native, by the way. I got their body wash. It's eucalyptus and mint. It's sulfate free, paraben free, dye free, phthalate free. Yeah, so that's, sorry for like being this way for this part of the video. I'm just really annoyed with the mess right now, and I genuinely don't know what I'm breathing in with this dusty packaging. It's not making me comfortable. And I also ordered 3 of their plastic free deodorants. I got the scent lilac and white tea, cotton and lily, which is for sensitive skin, citrus, and herbal mask. All of these are aluminum free, paraben free, and I also chose the plastic free option. So this is paper, like really hard paper, but this one is the lilac and white tea. Oh my god. Okay, dust aside, this actually smells really good. That one I think I might like. And this is the citrus. Oh my god, that smells sexy. That smells like a cologne. It's very strong. It has that strong musky smell. This is the sensitive one, cotton and lily. It smells like slight baby powder. It smells really clean, so I'm really excited. I'm glad that I have some aluminum free deodorants and that they're plastic free as well. Ooh, you can really smell the eucalyptus in there. It smells so good, and I really wanted a eucalyptus scent because it does help me relax, especially at night. So yeah, I'm excited to try out the products. Of course, I saved the best for last. I got some stuff from Huda Beauty. You all know I couldn't wait until the Sephora sale to get these. I got them off their website. I always love when they package their stuff in these big Ziploc bags because I can reuse them after. Oh my god! No surprise, I ordered 2 of their cheeky tints. This is their latest launch. It's their blush sticks. I did pick up 2 shades. The first one is Proud Pink, which I've actually heard a few people say this is a dupe for the NARS Pink Orgasm or NARS Orgasm blush. I'm not sure, but oh my god, it does have a sheen to it. This is so pretty. I don't want to swatch it or anything yet, forgive me. I need to take my photos. You all know how it is when we do it on the grams, but this looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, the packaging does feel very light. It does feel a little cheap, but I do like the soft matte feel this has. It's actually really pretty. And the next shade is called Rebel Red. I've never had a red blush, but when I saw how pretty it looked on like different skin tones, I was just like, oh my god, it looks so rich, creamy, easy to blend. So I'm really excited to try these. I feel like this more for the glowish line that she has, because it looks like very shea color, but hopefully we can build it up. So y'all know we'll be testing that out soon. Then I got one of her lip contours. I think this was like the original formula before they reformulated to her new lip liners. So it was on sale for like $7 or something. So I was just like, why not? Like, I thought I would see the point. Is this retractable? What is happening? Well, that's dumb. It's like pointed in there, but I guess I have to sharpen it to get the actual pencil. Also got the face brush. This is the brush they launched with the blushes. I find it look really nice. This is what the brush looks like, and it's called their face and cheek brush, and I can see why, because it's like at an angle, so you can get right on the cheeks to blend the blush, even like cream contour or bronzer. I actually wanted to get two of these, but I was like $25 for a brush. But this feels so incredibly soft, so I'm guessing it'll work really well with the blush stick. And for the final item, they recently launched their cherry blossom products, and they released this like exclusive set. So it has a silk balm and one of their liquid mattes, but I really bought it for the case. Like, look how gorgeous this is, and it says like Huda Beauty on it. This is so cute. When I saw this, I literally screamed. And I'm not much of like an accessories girl, but I really love this, and I love the silk balm anyway, and I wanted to get one during the sale, so hang on. So I decided to just get it in this set and done. This shade of liquid lipstick is called Lucky, and the silk balm is in cherry blossom. Oh, I didn't even realize that. I thought it was like a regular. Oh, it doesn't have that cherry smell, which I like. It has the regular scent of silk balm if you tried it. I love this formula. It's so hydrating on the lips. I honestly think it's like a hybrid of a lip balm and an oil, because when it goes on my lips, it just kind of melts into that, but it doesn't like run into like lines on my lips or anything. It's so good. And this is the liquid matte. I think this is probably her new formula. Oh, that is very bright, but it's so pretty. So I can't wait to play around with all of these new makeup. And I got two samples in there. I got the rose hip oil and the yoga scrub. And that completes this whole video. I do hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you did. It would really help out my channel when you hit that thumbs up button. And also please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this haul. What are you excited for me to try? Definitely let me know. And if you are new here, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload new videos every Sunday. You guys make sure and take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. Bye.